In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the whiteboard in Google Meet. This feature is a fantastic tool for enhancing collaboration in your virtual meetings, whether you're hosting a brainstorming session, teaching a class, or simply wanting to make your meetings more interactive. Let's dive straight in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate this tool into your Google Meet experience. To get started, you'll first want to access Google Meet. This can be easily done by navigating to meet.google.com on your web browser. Alternatively, if you're on the go, you can open the Google Meet app on your smartphone or tablet, which offers the same functionalities you'll need for this process. Once you're in Google Meet, it's time to join your meeting. This can be a meeting you've scheduled or one you're joining with a link or meeting code. Once you've successfully joined, you'll be in the familiar interface that Google Meet provides. Now, pay attention to the bottom corner of your screen. You'll notice the activities icon, typically represented by 3 dots or shapes. Clicking this will reveal a variety of options tailored for enhancing your meeting experience. From this list, you'll want to select Collaborative Whiteboard. This opens the gateway to using Google Jamboard, the integrated interactive whiteboard app that allows for real-time collaboration and creativity. With the whiteboard feature visible, the next step is to start a new whiteboard session. You can do this by clicking on the plus start whiteboard option. As soon as you initiate this, a new Jamboard session will be created for you and your participants to use. This tool is incredibly versatile. It enables you to draw, write, and insert sticky notes or images, making it perfect for a range of tasks from sketching ideas to annotating documents. Finally, once your collaborative whiteboard is ready and open, you have the opportunity to share it with other meeting participants. This means that everyone in the meeting can have access to view and interact with the whiteboard. Sharing access can be crucial, especially if you're working with students, colleagues, or a team looking to contribute their ideas live. And just like that, you've set up and shared a whiteboard in Google Meet. This tool not only makes your meetings more interactive, but also empowers participants to engage visually, fostering a more collaborative and productive environment. By incorporating the whiteboard into your Google Meet sessions, you bring virtual interactions to a whole new level, making remote teamwork more effective and enjoyable. So go ahead, give it a try in your next meeting and discover how Google Meet's whiteboard can transform your virtual interactions. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.